everybody. I'm going to do just a regular flip cup with the Hippie Crafter paint. I'm using metallic sapphire blue, metallic purple, phthalo blue, cobalt blue, violet, rose, and a drop of lemon yellow. And actually the lemon yellow you know what? Yeah, I'm going to use yellow. And into the yellow, I'm going to mix a drop of Spot On Treadmill silicone. Whoops. All right. So now to pour the rest of the colors in. I didn't take the plastic all the way off, so they're a little harder to open. That one's gone. That's a pretty color. I love this color. Now for the violet. I'm going to put my gloves on. I haven't done a good old-fashioned flip cup in forever. Needs more yellow. Where'd the yellow go? Here. Needs more yellow. Rose. And try and tilt the end of that off. Maybe actually. There. This is really pretty. leaving it like that. Super pretty. Gosh, I love the rose. Bring it over. There we go. I love this blue. But that rose is my favorite. So thank you for watching. It was kind of fun to just go old school and just do a flip cup. Everyone should do one once in a while. It was fun. So thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you next time. I will update you on how this dries since I am doing reviews on the HIPPIE Crafter. So that will be at the end, so stay tuned. Bye. Check it out, it dried beautifully. Look at those colors. Look at that. Nice and smooth. Beautiful. So another for the win with HIPPIE Crafter. Thanks for watching.